Carousel going on in this website. So I'm going to go to the Bootstrap website. I'm going to get a bit of code from here. Right, so let's just get a carousel. This one here will do just fine. Copy that, come into my widgets, which is essentially where my, let's see what we got here. Look on the front end. Yeah, I've got this fluid jumbotron area that I was using in class today. So let's find out where that is. So that's like hero canvas. Let's have a look. Is that is a fluid jumbotron? Let's delete that. So I'm going to add a bit of custom HTML in there because it's obviously a slider. I'm going to put that in there like that. Press save. Now if I go back to my website here, probably nothing will happen. All I've got is these, you know, these kind of, the thing works, I just haven't got the images in. So how to get the images in if we're going to use a bit of HTML is we're going to put them in the library. So I'm going to add new, going to drag these guys over, put them in. Now all of these will have image links. So down here you'll see copy link. I'm going to come back to my widgets and I'm going to try and find where the first link is in here. It's the carousel item, image source, that one there. Look, oops, did that go in? No, it didn't. Let's just undo that because I just pasted the whole thing in again. Let's go back to the media library. Sometimes this does or doesn't work. Let's try this, and I'm just going to get up a sticky and just check that I can see the link. No, didn't take it. So what we're going to have to do is actually manually go in there and copy that link there. So let's go back to my widgets. Let's find that image source 1, 2, 3. That one done. Okay, let's find the next one. I'm just going to put in 3 for now. And where's it gone? Image source. And there's the last one down there. That one there. And put this one in there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Save. Let's go back and have a look. Okay, so now I have my slider in from, you know, just a tiny bit of HTML. Obviously, if I wanted to change that location, I could just copy and paste all of that, delete that widget, and it would just go away, and I could go back to the home page. I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to get rid of the image that I've got here, and I'm going to just add a bit of custom HTML. Yep, there you go, and I'm just going to put it in there. That's done. I'm going to bring that up to the top. Yep, press save, and let's see it in an actual page. So we can put it into many different places into the actual website, and it will work just fine. So that is the first way that you can add a carousel into your Bootstrap theme using a bit of HTML and copy and pasting from the Bootstrap website, and adding it into your theme either in widgets or in the page body itself.